we want to share some important information about hazardous materials in flight. Some everyday items could be dangerous goods if they are improperly packed. If you are asked to check your carry-on bag at the gate, please note that gate-checked baggage has the same restrictions as baggage checked at the ticket counter. Therefore, in gate-checked baggage, these dangerous goods are not allowed. E-cigarettes, vaporizers, lithium batteries, power banks. Portable electronic devices with lithium-ion batteries are recommended to be removed and placed in carry-on baggage. See your carrier for additional information. The safest way to transport these items is on your person or in your smaller carry-on handbag or backpack. Please don't hesitate to ask if you have any questions. Have a nice flight.